Yo, what's up? Today we're going to be vibe coding my VST. I've actually made a lot of progress, so it's starting to look pretty good. It's starting to look pretty good, at least the UI. I want to make some UI changes, but I have all the sliders here so we can do it live. I also put some audio processing on it, so that's good. Let me see. Oh, yes. Hopefully my mic is loud enough. Also, my buddy Mike sent me a beat. He sent a beat to the group chat. Seems pretty remixable, so I might remix it for a second just to warm up. Like, it's really one part. Like, it's about 2 minutes into the song. 2 minutes 18 seconds. This part's pretty, is like ripe for remixing. But literally, I really just like that loop. So like while I'm waiting for Claude to get back, we could do that. Dude. Okay, so he's figuring it out. Okay. Whoa. Did I stop him prematurely, or like did he stop himself? Okay, so he's just saying the first file. Okay. I don't know if I trust, I don't know if I feel like he's gonna screw this up, but let me check the broadcast, make sure my audio is good first before I get into this. Let's see. But let me check the broadcast, make sure. Honestly, I think the audio levels seem decent. So audio is good first before I get into this. Okay. Okay, Claude. I don't think. Okay. I see the plugin editor.h. Oh, my computer's so high up, it's hard to type. There we go. Wow. Please send the other files as well and make sure they all work together. Dude, I don't want them to start with just mode A. Why would we do that? Please don't just start with mode A. Please just do it for all modes. I feel like it should be simple and similar to the other sliders. Make sure all of the files are cohesive, and please send them over. Alright, while he's cooking, we can. Wait, I might text Mike that I'm remixing his beat on stream right now. I mean, hopefully it doesn't come up on. Okay. So let's slow this down a little bit. I wonder if we can get away with this. Like if we can just like. Can we just get away with Wait, I forgot what I was gonna try to do. Oh yeah. So instead I'm gonna go to complex. I wish that the lead in this had a little one more different thing, but alright, I'm not gonna do too much here. Let's bring it back to 111. Maybe something like that. Nah, that's not the note I'm thinking of. Alright, that sounds decent. My buddy just asked me to send the link to the stream. Let's see if I can find it. I was literally just looking at the stream 2 seconds ago. I mean, he should be subscribed to the channel at this point. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how notifications even work when you go live. Okay, let's see if Claude cooked anything good here. Okay. There's literally like a 5% chance this works. Whenever they send all this. Oh, actually, this isn't bad. This isn't bad. He only sent 2 of the 4 files. That means that's usually they're actually thinking about it. I swear. Okay, we're just gonna send it here. Just the header files? Alright. I don't know. Let's see what he says in these. What? Plugin processor.h. Add debug sliders. It sounds pretty good to me. It sounds pretty good. Let's see. I'm just gonna call this. What do you call this beat? I'm just gonna call this Mike's Beat Remix because I'm remixing Mike's beat. Alright, what are the chances? It says Wednesday project. We're streaming. It's Wednesday right now. Okay. So now, the reason why I'm doing this is because to activate the plugin, to test it out. First of all, we gotta build it. See if it even builds. That's a big test. Come on. Build! Get there! Get there! Usually we're good. We're good at this point. Once it goes like, usually if it's not gonna build, it stops like a couple lines in. Come on. Okay, I was just making sure the audio is good on the stream. Let's see. For now, we open back up Ableton. It's just that easy. This is the most annoying part about main plugins because every time you make a change, at least the way I have my setup right now, you have to restart Ableton, but there's a ways around it, like using sliders, which I'll show you guys later. So now we gotta rescan for plugins. I should probably not dox myself by going through that stuff, but whatever. I mean, it's not really anything that important there. Okay. So now that we did that, rescan. I'll do it one more time, just for good measure. Open up the Claritizer. So there should be audio process. There's no knobs. I told them to add the sliders. Like, I just don't know. I think maybe they add the sliders, but I don't see them. I'm gonna make sure build one more time. Build succeeded. Okay. I'm quitting Ableton. I'm gonna open up the file where I'm remixing my friend's beat again because that's what I'm supposed to be doing anyways. Okay. Open up Ableton. This time, open up the right file, even though that doesn't make a difference for the plugin works or not, but. Okay. Claritize it. Oh, first let me rescan for plugins. Almost forgot. I Okay. I gotta make it so this window opens over here. That's what I'm gonna start doing. Okay. Come on. What is this? Okay. Alright, it's on main track. There's like, oh, this is why it's not working, dude. I mean, that might not be why it didn't work last time, but I don't know if it works like that. If you have like 3 of them already in the file. Okay, I don't know. I don't know if this really did anything. Alright, I'm gonna have to test one more time. I hate to say it, but this is how it is with this stupid crap. Like, you have to test it. I'm not gonna like go back, waste 10 minutes talking to Claude just to find out I tested it wrong. But this is the most annoying part about making a VST. So now we're back in. This is like, if this doesn't work, then they didn't add the sliders properly, 100%, because this is like textbook. You close it, you open a new file. Okay, let's see. It's not promising so far because there's 0 audio sliders, which is literally the only thing I'm trying to add right now. So it seems like it's not quite ready yet. It changed nothing. I'm moving this a little lower. Okay, changed nothing. Please. I'll specify the plugin and debug area look exactly the same with no sliders in the audio plugins drop down menu. Audio processing drop down menu. Okay. Please carefully review the code. Do we need to edit any other files? Sometimes you have to ask the right questions. Okay, well, that might take a while. Whoa. Okay, that might take a while, so let's get back to this. Did I close Xcode? Tell me I didn't close Xcode. I'm the worst with this. I like reflexively close. I always close like every window reflexively without even thinking about it. Did I close Xcode? Tell me I didn't close X. It's coming back. Don't worry. I'm just making sure my audio's all good. I check it all the time because I always screwed up. Oh, Mike already's in the chat. I didn't even know. What up, Mike? I just want to add some drums, like. Yo, Mike, are you still in here? Alright. I was thinking of doing some different drums on these. Dude, like, this is when I know they get it wrong, because it's like, why are there all these files? Here are the files you need. Just the header files again. Just the header files again? Really? Dude, I don't know what Claude is doing recently. I don't know why they want to do this, like instructions page every time. It's so weird. It's been doing that recently. Resize snippet? Update snippet? Resize else snippet? What is going on here? Oh, what? Dude, what? Okay. I see what it's trying to do now, but this is really weird. This is really like bizarre. Okay, I guess that's why I sent the instructions. Alright, let's get to work, I guess. I mean, I'm not gonna waste more tokens on this. Hopefully this actually works, because it is trying to be, is at least trying to be smart right now, I feel like. Sometimes Claude is just like, you just give up on it. I think right now it's trying at least to be smart. Okay. So these, I'm just gonna paste these in, just get that out of the way. Plugin processor.h. Here it goes. Plugin editor.h. Okay. Alright. And then we open up the instructions, which I might have to I might just download this and open it because I can't look at all this stuff at once. Like, this is crazy. Okay. Alright. Okay. I already did that. Replace the entire if-else block. Oh my god. Modify it. Set up GUI. Okay, so plugin. Editor.cpp. It's so weird because my setup is in Xcode and I don't know how to use Xcode. I barely know how to use VS Code even, but I'm way better at VS Code. All right, so we're gonna do debug knob, take start radius. Find where the existing debug sliders are set up. 10 matches? Okay, well they're all right here, right? I don't know, is that really where that's supposed to go? If you say so. Setup snippet right after. What? Okay, find this code. Where is it? Where's the code? Oh, there it is. Okay, that's actually perfect. That's literally exactly where it's supposed to go. Okay, I can do this, I think. I can do this. This is easy. Resize snippet.txt for the if. Right here. I don't know why I did this. Kind of there we go. Get this. I don't even know what the proper indentation is that it? So it's something like that. Does it matter in C++? I don't really think so. Okay, let me just look. What's going on here? So this is how. Okay, so these are the else, right? Gotta be right. All right, this is really showing how little I know about C++. But that's fine. I don't know anything about C++. That's what's kind of funny about but you can still I'm still making a decent plugin right now. I'll show you guys in a second. Okay. I don't know why this is pasting in like that. I think this is supposed to be, I don't know if that's right. I feel like this is usually what C++ looks like. I don't know. Okay, back to the instructions. Oh, wait up. I didn't even see this. Okay, let's find the existing switch statement. Here it is. So this goes right here. Right? Okay, that seems pretty good. Let's try building. Okay. Honestly, I feel like those errors don't look that bad. Let's see where they go. Yeah, this is definitely did I just indent this wrong? What's going on here? Or is it just these? Layout debug. Too many errors emitted, stopping now, so it's definitely all these, right? Like it's gotta be all of these. Getting use of undeclared identifier on everything. Is this indentation error or something else? I mean, I just don't want, like, I was working on this remix, but I'm getting kind of carried away. This is a little drum kit. Let's put the claritizer on it. See how it sounds. Whatever. I kind of like the original version of my cat better. I'm not really like, I'm kind of like not focusing on this. Let's put the claritizer on it though. This will be a good demo. To be honest, I just started like the audio process. I've been working on the UI this whole time. This one sounds good. That's a cool reverb, I swear. And this one's kind of cool too, but it's really like, it's a bit much. Like you can't do too much of that. It kind of hurts my ears. Let's see what Claude has to say about this. The layout debug lambda needs to be declared once at the start of show debug. There's duplicate code and syntax error with the braces. If show debug, where is this? Plugin editor.cpp. Here we go. Layout debug lambda goes before. Oh, I've literally like, this is happening before with the other sliders I added, so I think that means we're on the right track. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, this is like, I'm not typing that. Okay. Okay, that needs to go. Okay, this is easy. We can just like, do we literally just put a little, wait a second. Oh, okay, replace this part with this part. Okay. What? Auto layout debug? Really? Okay. If UI section expanded to here, gets replaced here. Okay. We'll see, I don't know. Also remove the duplicate audio processing section code and remove the stray bracket on the line that just says, oh jeez. Okay. Can you please help me get rid of the duplicate audio processing code and that bracket? I just made the other changes you sent me. I feel like AI, like with AI, it's like, it's good to be careful to, like, they can read the typos. I'm worried it kind of like, it might like set them off a little bit and like subtly mess up with their logic, but I don't know. Honestly, I want to make all the modes in the plugin way more like crazy. Like I want this to be kind of crazy. I feel like the only way this is gonna work is it's like a pretty gimmicky plugin. Let me just look at this real quick. Whoops. See, we got all these sliders to change everything, which is good. Except, where's the noise? Oh, here we go. Let's do like 220. Oh yeah, I did 20 instead of 0.2. Is that too much? Is that too much? That's like, what if I do? Oh, I mean that's like really, that's pretty gritty. That's pretty gritty. Okay. I just do like, what if I do like this? No. I think that's pretty good. I mean, it's weird because I feel like on some monitors it's totally different. I mean, I don't know. I think that's good. It's a bit much, but I think that's fine. Depending on the angle you look at your screen at. Nah, it's too much. It's too much. Let me get this back down to like 1:30. Oh, your mic's looking at the plugins. Dude, trust me, bro. I think this is a hack. Like, I'm gonna be making a lot now that I made this one. Like, I have like a template, and I think I can make them like pretty quickly. Like, I mean, this one obviously, like, I haven't even started the audio processing part, which is definitely the hardest part. But basically, I have the whole framework set up. So like, all this, like, there's so much stupid configuration stuff in C++ that took me like literally like 4 months to figure out. Now now I think it's smooth sailing. Around 778 and your duplicate comment and the code's repeated twice, audio process. Delete everything from the line that has just that to itself to its matching. How does that have? Okay, keep only the first copy of the audio processing issue so it looks like this. Okay, audio processing section button. Set bounds 460. Okay. Keep only the first copy, so it should look like this. So that's it? That's the whole thing? A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Okay. So I see. Let's do this. Okay. Set debug container. And for some reason, it comes with the indentation thing, which I don't even know if this matters in C++, but what? Okay, I just don't want to have to deal with this, so let's just remember where we got this from. Right? Wait a second. I think I might just, okay. I don't know. I mean, this one has to be up against the wall, right? Like that's how it works, right? Let's see. Build failed, expected expression. Oh, that's because this isn't even a comment anymore. Okay, I don't know. This is freaking me out. Okay. We'll see. This could go either way. 5 out of 22, that's a good sign. I think we made it over the hump. Okay. Okay. Build succeeded. I just want to once I get these sliders in there, it's going to be less coding, more designing, like, because these sliders should have every parameter for the, these sliders should have every parameter for the audio processing, if this works. So once we're in there, we won't even have to put anything in the code and wait for it to quit and activate Ableton again. We can just mess with the different parameters. Although, to be honest, like, my algorithms definitely aren't dialed in yet, so just messing with the parameters isn't gonna, like, you know, finish the plugin or anything, because, like, I might have to completely change the way the functions work. But It'll be pretty fun, I think. Okay. Let me make sure the audio's still good here. Cameras isn't gonna like, you know, finish the plugin or anything, because like I might have to completely change the way the functions work. Okay, I would rather have this preference thing over here. All right. Let's try this. Hopefully this worked. This is kind of like a big moment of truth. All right, I don't see any sliders. How is that even possible? How is there no sliders after all this? Like, that's crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Honestly, that's kind of upsetting, but that's fine. Like, I'll fix it. I was getting hype. I was getting hype because I thought we were really close, but that's fine. All right, back to square one. I really think it has to be close. Like, all of this code looks familiar. There has to be just some small thing. It looks familiar from when I was doing the UI sliders. Okay, let's see. Oops, that's not .h, bro. What are you doing? Okay. So, these are the current working versions of the code. Please. Okay. The build succeeded, which seems like a step in the right direction. However, the plugin appears to be... I'm just gonna double check by reopening live, because like even though I know you quit once you rescan, it's fine, but like I would hate to waste all these tokens. All right, one more time, just to make sure, even though I know it's definitely not working. Sometimes you just know, especially when you already tested it. But yeah, there's no audio processing sliders here. Okay. This is where you need to really up your patience game and just like, because it's so annoying, but you have to be patient. However, the plugin appears to be exactly the same as it was before. There are no sliders in the audio processing section. I think we are close. Please observe the UI sliders implementation we already made, since that works, and I imagine this is similar. That could be wrong. Like, I might be steering him down the wrong path, but I'm gonna try. I mean, like, I do want to make it be. It's hard when you're always opening, closing. But we're using the claritizer. I'm liking this plugin, this whatever this is, setting. I've been kind of wanting to make a beat with, like, honestly, the guitar. I've honestly been wanting to use the guitar for a while. Tristan's been inspiring me. I mean, I also just think it might be like the best thing to test the claritizer on. But that's the same. Alright, let me be right back. I'm just gonna take some ibuprofen real quick. I have a little headache. I literally was getting a headache and yesterday and I tried ibuprofen. I've only tried it once or twice because I just never take painkiller meds or whatever, but it works. No wonder people take it. It actually works pretty well for headaches. Okay. Looking at your code, I can see the audio sliders are declared, but never. Okay. See, that makes sense. That makes sense. So you're telling me we really didn't have this in it? Is that real? That's crazy. Okay. Debug knob tick start radius. And setup GUI I think is this. Setup knob. Maybe not. Setup knob. You're telling me. Wait, is it supposed to be this? What file is this in? Come on. Oh, I know. Setup GUI. I know I've used this. It has to be in one of the CPP files. I don't think it's in one of the header files. So there's that. So you're telling me debug knob tick. Did I just spell it wrong? Okay, yeah. So after that, I think you just stick it right here, right? Where's knob start tick start radius? Where is it? Okay, so it's literally right here. Extra space before next section. There's 10 matches? Dude. Okay, setup GUI. Around line 335. Usually when it tells you what line to do it in, it's wrong. I swear, but I guess. Custom look and feel? I don't think we want a custom look and feel. I think we want it up here. Let's try this. Oops. See, I'm trying to edit this, but I can't with the stupid error. Okay. It's so weird how it has this indentation error. It's so annoying. I remember I had to fix that in VS Code too. I think this is good though. I think this will be fine. I'm pretty sure this is what we want to do. Let's see. Build failed already? Come on, dude. This has to be something stupid I did. I'm running out of tokens in this conversation, so this is coming down to the wire, I'm not gonna lie. What did I do wrong? I got tons of errors. And then this is the best thing you could do sometimes. But you hate when it says too many errors, dude, give me a break. Let me just test out the plugin a little bit. No claritizer on it yet. I really need to make this plugin sound kind of unique. Obviously it doesn't sound that great right now. Jazz is kind of weird. I think that's like, is that really what that reverb sounds like, or is that some sort of bug where it's like prime numbers? Something sounds weird in this. Like, what is, you hear that? Like, it's like a second later, it's like a drums playing. I don't know if that's really what I'm looking for, but that's pretty cool. It's a little bit, I was kind of trying to do something a little more like moody, but whatever. I don't know, I wonder what BPM it's at. It's like, I'm pretty sure the delay is at some random tempo, so it's just gonna snap just to some BPM, hopefully it's right. That sounds pretty much right. Always drops the first note in Ableton somehow. So this will be a cool loop for us to sort of mess around with. Oh wait, I didn't even need that one. Just need to get this so it plays. I can't tell, does this? I can't really tell if this delay is scaling with the tempo or not. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I don't know what it's doing. Cause like, this isn't really the type of beat I want to make, but it's just kind of fun to like. I know there's gotta be, there's some kind of like, there's gotta be some kind of drift in here. Is there like a config menu here? I think there is somewhere. Maybe not. Because I know they have some. me get a timer up. I'm just gonna make a quick like 20-minute beat. We can take a beat. We can take a break from whatever, from doing plugins for a second. I already started this one, so we'll do 15 minutes. This one's gonna be so easy though. This one I'm gonna like record this audio in because this is not gonna stay like this. All right. Dude, no, don't do this. Don't do this. Oh my goodness, I'm getting the stupid iLock error. I can't use any sound toy stuff. It's so annoying. iLock is so annoying. Alright. Just when I thought we were taking a break from doing the plugin, this happens. Let's try this the good old fashioned way though for a second. We don't need a tremolator. This is like the old fashioned way to do a tremolator. Wait, let me check the audio real quick. I know there's gotta be this is always like, it starts off so weird. I honestly never use this plugin, but we got no sound toys. But it's good. This needs a claritizer, bro. It's too harsh. Let me try to spice this up a little bit. This is kind of like, I already told you guys I'm not the biggest fan of this, so let's try to do this better. It was kind of cool though. Why I got like so much distortion on this, bro? Like, I always do this. I always turn the little fire thing in the corner all the way up. But honestly, like, I mean. Someone's calling me. What the heck? Oh, my mom's calling me. 1 second, guys. Is there anyone I can pause the stream? Well, I'm gonna have to call her back later because I don't know how to pause the stream. I'll text her. Okay. I'm gonna have to call her back later. I was just trying to get a good... Oh, honestly, I okay had a good chord progression there for a second, but kind of lost it. Got distracted. I don't know, something like that might be kind of cool. Let's see. But I can't do this whole pluck thing, it has to be like whole keys. Almost. We're almost somewhere with this. I wonder if the claritizer is really making it better or worse. I kind of think it's making it better. This is all like kind of like really some of the Sky Keys plugins kind of are like a little ear hurting. I don't know if it's just me. This is like a challenge. Like it's literally like a beach. I have none of my Sound Toys plugins. I have only this freaking claritizer that I'm making myself. All my I locked disabled all my Sound Toys plugins. I gotta make this beat. It's like it would be perfect for Echo Boy. But honestly, this is sounding good. It's good to it's good to switch it up a little bit. This is pretty dope loop. It's a little like subversive. Just with that the third chord, or the fourth chord. Like I just need like a nice fat bass. Do I still have, dude, if I don't have anything on iLock, like, I don't know. Maybe I have serum. Honestly, though, I don't even use serum that much, but I haven't checked in on the claritizer on Claude in a second, but like we can do a little basic. Oh no, nothing like that. Nothing like that. Just like a basic analog, retro analog, sure. I need something a little more, maybe like an 808. Let's do an 808. You know, they always hit. Like, sometimes I feel bad using 808s all the time. It's like, come on, give me a break. They said they always sound so good. Do this. There. I don't know about those last two notes, but I'm gonna take that, pitch it down, you know the vibes. I swear, sometimes like I can't even hear notes like super low that well, so I'm always messing up my bass lines until I do that. Something like this. I want like that's bouncy. I don't know. I think that's gonna sound pretty dope. And then from here the beat makes itself. Like this is like textbook. Like get some timber hats. You know what I'm saying? Like this is just like textbook. I might have to change the BPM though. I feel like you always get tricked into making beats at 130 BPM, and it's like, wow, this is really cool. Like it's unique. Like, but 130 BPM is like the doldrums. Like I swear, like it's hard to make. I feel like it's hard to make a really good song. Like you gotta do like 140, 120, maybe like 120 for this one. I don't know. It sounds pretty good at 132. Maybe I'll change it back, but we'll see. I always play two hi-hats now, like at the same time. Yeah, we got Hank and Mike in the chat, that's fire. Oh! Okay. It's crazy because I have no sound toys. I can't even play the decapitator on this, but this sounds pretty good too. Oh wait, yeah, I got the claritizer on this. Don't worry about it. We got the clear. We're making on the plugin. This I need to really. That's why I'm doing the code though, cause like we'll be able to do. I'll have all the slide like for example like I have the UI sliders here, so like I can change everything. You know what I'm saying? Like I can change the position. That's just the UI. Like I'm gonna have it. I really hope that's where it was before. But yeah, I'm gonna have it so you can change. We can change like the chorus time and everything right there. So that's what I'm working on right now. It's just taking a while. Let's do the most basic ass delay because I don't have sound toys right now. There we go. Honestly, I'm throwing the claritizer on and we need it. Like it literally needs it. There's really no choice. Oh, that sounds fire, dude. I'm making my first claritizer commercial right now. I didn't even know it. Except there's this weird delay it has that I don't really like. Okay. Let's do Timberland, whatever. Can I get this plugin, bro? Send me the zip. Honestly, I'll try. If you have a Mac now, it might work. I'll low-key send it to you, but I don't know if it'll work yet. I actually think if you have a Mac, it'll work. So I'll send it to you if you want to test it out. But I don't know if I have to do some sort of. I don't know if I have to. I'm gonna at some point since I'm selling it, I'm gonna have to wrap it in an installer. I don't think I have to do that if I'm just sending it to you, but I might have to for it to install properly on your computer. But I think it might be fine, so I'll send it to you in a little bit. Let's do some kicks. What rhythm is this? What? Why did you assume I said nah? Nah, I can send you it. Let me see if I can respond in the chat. Okay, to be honest, I might have to go back to coding a little bit because this beat's alright. But I mean, I kind of do like it, but I'm like, I really want to finish this. So we'll call this 20-min beat. When is I'll never open it again. I'll just call it strands. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to coding. We got a nice 20-minute break. Oh, he's in the chat right now. So okay, let me tap back into Xcode. Missing comment / alright, that'll do it. How did I not catch that, dude? Wow, that's crazy, dude. Okay. At least that's a gimme. In your plugin processor.h, find this section. I swear, with AI, like the most important skill is gonna be being patient. You have to be patient. Like Some people definitely will watch this and be like, wow, this guy has no idea how to code. He's literally just vibe coding, which I am. But like, it takes some serious patience to deal with this crap, getting it wrong like 45 times in a row. Okay. Oh, what's wrong with so? Find this section. Move those lines above the private keyword. They need to be in the public section. Okay, I see. This might just do it. This literally might just do it. Come on, please, 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 please. This is where you... Unknown. Yikes. Two different errors for what will appear to be completely different things. But there's only two of them, so it's not that bad. Honestly, this might be a killer VOD. This is messing me up, dude. It's a little bit of a weird chord progression, you know, but I don't know. It might be a little too weird. It might be a little like, I might go as far as say it's a little like off, but whatever. Someone just text me. No. Okay, so this is where like we need a little bit of a more high key hi-hat. Like we can't just have this mopey whatever hi-hat like freaking claritizer. This beat's making my ears hurt. Okay. I don't know if that's gonna make it into any claritizer advertisements, but whatever. Wait, what is this, dude? The mode config type isn't recognized. Ugh. It's in the processor as a private member. Move mode config to the public section. How's that real? Okay. I mean, this is where I put it, right? Like, or I guess you can put it here, sure. I still don't really know if in C++ it matters what order you put the code in or not. I think it kind of does, but I'm not 100% sure. Build succeeded. Build succeeded. There's no way. There's no way. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Get your rally caps on. Get your rally caps on. Okay, I'm in the wrong menu already. Let's do this. Get this out of here. Oops. Okay, we rescanned for plugins. We go to the Claritizer plugin. Please tell me this worked. Please tell me this worked. Claritizer. Typing with one hand. One finger. Oh, there's no way. There's no way it actually worked. There's no way it actually worked. Okay, this is huge. This is actually huge. I can't believe this actually worked. That's insane to me. I mean, it looks like it worked. There could be some stuff going on under the hood, but this is sick. This is sick. Let me okay. So now that means like we can literally just like edit the way this plugin works straight from here. What would be even crazier is if I had some sort of calculator like input where I could change the functions themselves. But that would, honestly, that's a good idea for some software to put on GitHub. But that's for another day. So what this means, now that we have these sliders, we can edit this in real time without actually having to change, like without having to restart Ableton, basically. So let's just go to a good like piano plugin. I love this piano plugin. I just want to play like something like that we can test this the Claritizer with really easily. So like I'll just do like some big chords or something. Oops. Not even. Why am I not even like tapped into this right now? Oh, okay. I think I actually do have to quit Ableton because for some reason my MIDI controllers isn't working, which is so stupid. But whatever. Okay, let's try this one more time. Hopefully Ableton actually cooperates. Please. Okay, good. Okay. So let's work on it. Let's start really making this plugin. It's just a basic not basic. I want it to be kind of crazy, but right now it's pretty basic. I want it to be like just like your delay, chorus, reverb type effect, but maybe with some like bit crush and like some other crazy stuff. Okay, so like, whoa, why is that muting it when it goes all the way up? That makes no sense. Did it break this somehow? Nah. Just when you thought. Just when you. Oh, for some reason this mode works. Why is mode C the only one that works? Like, this is the weird stuff that AI does. But, I guess we can mess with mode C. Just see if that's working properly. Here we go. There we go. I think this will just be good. 162. It's fine. Okay, so now we have this. I can't believe it broke every mode but C. Honestly though, like that has to be an easy weird fix thing. Like, there's no way you can do something that stupid without being like, I probably played this whole thing early because this has like a pre-delay on it. This is getting difficult for me to navigate right now. Bro. Did I really like... Okay, I think I deleted too much of this, honestly. My mistake. I'm screwing all this up, dude. Okay. I can't believe this, dude. Alright, let's try editing this while we can. I can't believe it broke mode A, B, and D. Let's turn it down a little bit, my ears hurt. This is just like the most basic. I mean, I can make it actually sound good if we're gonna listen to this for like 10 minutes. Okay, let's do something like this. Okay, let me, obviously I don't love the way this plugin sounds right now. So let's like mess around with these. So, this should change the delay time. Can I make it like 100? Oh, it only goes from 0 to 2? That's awesome. Feedback, does that go to 100? What the hell is going on? 0? Oh, it goes from 0 to 1. Or that just, you can't do decimals? You can only do 0 or 1? That's insane. I guess, like, I should have been more specific with Claude. Like, this is... The reverb just goes from 0 to 1 too. You can't do decimals. Alright. This is completely broken, unfortunately. Reverb wet, bit crush goes from 0 to 2. You can't do decimal. Like, come on, bro. Give me a break. Alright, well, if I turn noise mod to 1. Oh, wait. Now this whole thing is just kind of broken. Okay. Clearly, I have some debugging to do. I think before I'm gonna end the stream, hopefully hop on and the plugin actually works and we can like edit it together. But I clearly have a lot of work to do, and I don't think it's gonna be like that entertaining to watch. But the plugin has made a lot. It's come a long way. The plugin's come a long way. It's I can't wait to release it. All right, see you guys ending the stream.